In this video, we'll be showing you how to place a test order. Please note this option is only available if a test payment gateway has been set up. Please see the video in the description below with further details on how to do this. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. Then, from your Events and Tickets page, add tickets and products to your basket. Then click on the basket button. Follow any requests on screen regarding fees. These will vary depending on how you have set up your ticket or product. A box at the top of the page will appear advising that you are currently using the live payment gateway. Click on the Switch to Test Payment Gateway link. Please note this box only appears to you as an administrator and is not visible to your public. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on the Continue to Payment button. A modal window will appear which shows you a breakdown of items purchased on the left and payment options on the right. Please enter one of the test card numbers found in the FAQ in the link below. Then enter any month and year, any 3 digits for the CVC and any postcode. Then click on the Pay button to proceed. The payment process will go ahead. An email will be sent and a confirmation message will appear. Test orders are available to view in My Account, Orders, and are marked as test with a tick. As an administrator, you can also see test orders placed by all administrators in Reports, Orders, and then click the Show Test Orders button. You can also see how test data manifests itself in all of your other reports. Again, please click the button to view test data for the report you are viewing. And that's it. You have now successfully set up how to place a test order. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.